They knew that you were a subject of Morocco according to your treaty, right? The Treaty of Madrid, 1880, okay? Article 15, paragraph 1 said any subject of Morocco. Okay, let's take a look at it real quick. Okay, any subject of Morocco. So they tried to take the subjects of Morocco and now they want to make them citizens of America. Listen. They made you a citizen of America. They adopted you. That way you'll start claiming to be American. They want you to have patriotism of America, because the more you talked about being American, the less you talked about being what? Moroccan.
Once again, we're debunking J Bay on treaties, on the Treaty of Madrid and nationality. As you seen in the video, what did J Bay say in the video, if y'all were listening? 1, he said black people are Moroccan subjects or protégés. 2, we lost Moroccan nationality. 3, U.S. adopted us as citizens. 4, Treaty of Madrid 1880 proves this, according to J Bay. According to J Bay's 2 + 2 = 5 logic, Treaty of Madrid proves black people are Moroccan subjects that lost their nationality and was adopted as U.S. citizens. 5, American patriotism equals identity loss. Okay, if you read the Treaty of Madrid yourself with your own eyes and use your common sense, the Treaty of Madrid from 1880, Article 15, refers to foreigners living in Morocco, not Moroccans abroad. Let me repeat that again. The Treaty of Madrid refers to foreigners living in Morocco, in North Africa, not in America. Never was no Morocco in America. Don't give a fuck what anymore said. Foreigners living in Morocco, not Moroccans abroad. No treaty ever transferred U.S. citizens into Moroccan jurisdiction. No treaty ever transferred U.S. citizens into Moroccan jurisdiction. Y'all gotta take that one in, bro. Misinformation, the indoctrination, the propaganda is ridiculous. And they think people can't see through this shit. Like I said, nationality. Nationality is governed by law, not metaphors, J-Bay. We don't give a fuck about your mishmash word salad. No, nigga, you talk about everybody else be mishmash word salad. No, nigga, you are mishmash word salad, spreading misinformation. Moroccan nationality code, like I said in the last debunking, descent doesn't equal automatic nationality. Just because you claim you descend from Moroccans, it don't automatically make you a citizen of the Morocco Empire or the Kingdom of Morocco, whatever you want to call it, because ultimately in reality, the kingdom is the Empire of Morocco. And I wish anybody would try to debate me on that point. Next point, United States, 14th Amendment, citizenship is based on birth or naturalization. Citizenship is based on birth or naturalization. Protégé status in the 1800s equals diplomatic protection, not nationality. So y'all reading these treaties wrong. You're not defining these terms the proper way, because protégé status in the 1800s equals diplomatic protection, not nationality. It was a colonial workaround for merchants, not an ethnic identity. You goofballs. Reality check. Wake up. Wake up, sleeping Moors. Wake up, indoctrinated Moors by J-Bay garbage. You are American by law, not adoption. You are American by law according to the Constitution, not adoption. This is all bullshit. This is all lies. None of these treaties apply to black Americans living in the United States of America. No treaty makes you Moroccan. Let me repeat that again, bro, for the niggas in the back. No treaty makes you Moroccan. Not the Treaty of Peace and Friendship, not the Treaty of Madrid, not the Act of Algeciras, not the ICJ court case from 1952, not the goddamn treaty between Britain and Morocco. No treaty makes you Moroccan. Black American, black man, black woman living in the United States of America. Not me saying that, that's just the facts. Patriotism isn't a spell that erases history. Dummy. It isn't a spell that erases history, J-Bay. So shut the fuck up talking. You can't resurrect nationality with private Zooms and PDFs. J-Bay, AMPAC, you cannot resurrect nationality with private Zooms and PDFs. Fake PDFs made on Canva. These niggas so goofy, they think they gonna make it far to the ICJ and they ain't gonna be able to tell y'all using fake AI generated constitutions and PDF documents. You wasting everybody's time. No treaty assigns AMPAC or its members any nationality rights. None. You niggas are delusional. You don't get no nationality rights. None of these treaties will vouch for you. They don't work. They have no effect. It's like holding a vanilla Yu-Gi-Oh card, nigga, that don't do shit in your damn hand. Hell, I'm better off with a vanilla Yu-Gi-Oh card than a goddamn AMPAC treaty or AMPAC constitution thinking it's gonna do something. You ain't busting a grape in a state fight, nigga. Being born black in America doesn't equal loss of nationality. So shut the fuck up talking about black people. I don't want to hear y'all say shit else when everything y'all teach is lies and falsehood. Let's go over this Montevideo criteria again. I meant to write this on the first breakdown. But let's go over this. The Montevideo criteria needed for statehood. Population. Now since I'm a nice guy, I just gave you a check. I gave you one anyway, since I'm a nice guy. Since you live in a state, since y'all think it works that way, since y'all goofy enough to think all you have to do is live in a state and that's our permanent population. So I just gave you a check, even though you don't really meet the criteria. But everything else, territory, government, foreign relations, y'all, like I said in the first one, y'all don't check off none of the boxes. You don't. I don't give a fuck how many fake states y'all come up with. Nobody checks off the population. Nobody has a real government. Nobody has any territorial claims. And you can't enter into foreign relations because your government's fake. It's that simple. Y'all niggas try to make it so deep. It's not that deep. Y'all niggas just dumb and miseducating everybody else. I'm done with you niggas, man.
So we didn't learn. We didn't learn from last time. We didn't. So we didn't learn. Comprehension. We didn't learn.